My skin was so overwhelmed with all the chemicals from the products that I used to use, even breakouts in places I never had before. And then I started to use ACANLUX serum. Since the first day I felt my skin instantly more hydrated and calm. It is gentle with my skin providing revitalized complexion. It can be used by morning, before makeup, at night, on the face and body as you need. After day 9 and 10 I start to feel my skin more healing, moisturized and way more even. Now after 2 weeks challenge, my skin healed completely and more nourished and glowing.
No wonder my scalp was always dry, itchy, and my hair felt damaged, dull, and lifeless. That's why I switched to ACANLUX. Their restorative shampoo is made with a nutrient-dense blend of sea holly and white cypress, which work together to soothe and nourish your scalp, promoting stronger, longer hair. Unlike most generic shampoos, it doesn't just mask the damage but actually restores both your scalp and hair health. My hair is stronger, healthier, and shinier than ever before.